Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a setup on how I record my point of view walking and exploration videos. My last tutorial video was recorded in August of 2019, but quite a lot of stuff has changed since then, and a lot of new tech. Before I get started, I want to mention that all this tech and equipment I'll have in the video description below, so be sure to check it out. But this is the equipment. I have here the main unit, the camera, and the stabilizer. It's called the DJI Pocket 2, and this thing is amazing. It's basically a camera, a stabilizer, and a microphone all in one unit. And I recommend getting the creator combo. It's so easy to just turn this thing on and start recording. Now, it's very important that you have an appropriate memory card with enough speed so you can handle everything this camera can do. But if you pick any of the memory cards that I have laid out over here or in the video description, you should be good. But right here I have the SanDisk Extreme 100. These are all 128 gigabyte cards, microSD cards. The Samsung EVO Select, the green version, and also the Samsung EVO Plus. You shouldn't have any problems. They each work just as well. One thing that I want to mention is that this one, the EVO Select and the EVO Plus, even though they're two different names and two different colors, they're pretty much the same exact memory card. It's just the branding. The Select version is just Amazon's specific brand. So just pick whichever memory card is the least expensive and it should just work just as well. So the highest resolution that this DJI Pocket 2 can record in is 4K at 60 frames per second. And it's the mode I recommend recording at because it gives you the best quality. And you can enable this mode by going into the settings menu, by following the instructions, or by using the DJI Mimo app. At this resolution, I find that the battery lasts about an hour and a half with an 128 gigabyte memory card, and with any of these cards, 128 gigabyte size at that quality, you can record up to 2 hours or so before it runs out of space. Now, you could get the DJI Pocket 2 without the creator combo, but I just love all the accessories that this thing gives you, especially the do it all handle and also the wireless microphone that it gives you, because the wireless microphone is really good. It cancels out the wind. You don't have to deal with your audio being all distorted because of wind sounds, and I highly recommend getting it just because of that. It saves you a ton of headaches. And even though this camera here, it's advertised as being good in the wind, I really don't find that the default stereo microphones on the unit itself gives good wind protection. So make sure you get the creator combo for that wireless mic. It's really good with the windscreen. Alright, so on to the actual way how I record my videos. So here I have my DJI Pocket 2 with the do-it-all handle, the controller wheel setup, which comes with the creator pack and the do-it-all handle as well, and also the wireless microphone, which is attached here. So all I want to do is to turn the camera on, so you hold the power button and it turns on. And to record a walking video, very simple. These POV exploration videos with this new gadget, the DJI Pocket 2 creator combo, makes it very easy. I've been doing this a lot now and this is my preferred way of doing it. So just hit the record button and just walk as you normally do. Try to keep the camera as stable as you can. And this is what it should look like when you're walking. And just walk as you normally do. Try to keep the camera as stable as you can. And this is what it should look like when you're walking. So I really like this controller wheel attachment because you can do a lot of cool things with it. You can use it to zoom in and out, which is my preferred method when I'm walking around and just say, hey, this restaurant looks pretty cool. So I zoom in like that and zoom out like this. And if you double tap this button, it actually changes the functionality where it moves the camera itself. So now it's on the control mode. You can just move it to the left and to the right. But I don't really like to do this because the camera does all the work already for you. So I just keep it on the zoom in and out mode. You double click this to recenter the camera if you get too high or too low. So recenters. And when you're done, just hit the record button again. And that's it. All you have to do to use the footage now is to take out the memory card, put it in your computer, run your favorite video editor, and you have a video. But hope you enjoyed this video on how I record my POV exploration videos and walks. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash the like button, and I'll see you next time. Take care.